Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back with another video of Data Zero, and in this video we're going to look at AMC and APE's current price action. Why AMC is down 20% in after hours and APE is up 20% in after hours. We're also going to look at my current thoughts, what I think is going on, and if I think the squeeze is still going on. We're also going to look at the news and why this is happening. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and look at the facts, the charts, the data, and see what we have going on.
Welcome back to another video with Data Zero. So in this video, we're going to look at the current price action on AMC and APE. So guys, obviously something is going on. APE up 20%, AMC down 24% in after hours. So I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on in this video. So APE or AMC stock dives, APE preferred shares soar on stock conversion settlement. So basically what happened, long story short, too long did it read. If you want to go ahead and read this, you guys can. I'll go ahead and scroll through it. But basically what it says is Adam Aaron basically made it sure that it's going to go through with the 10-to-1 reverse stock split. The APE is going to be converted to AMC, and they are going to sell more shares of common stock. So we're going to see dilution. We're going to see the 10-to-1 reverse stock split, and we are going to see APE common stock. It's almost certain now. There's been a settlement in the courts, and we are one step closer to all of this going on. So at first, I was against the reverse stock split, but since it is officially happening and there is no way around it, I have to look at the benefits of it. So I will be doing a video on the benefits of converting APE to AMC and paying off the debt and stuff like that. But as of everything going on, I'm not too happy about the reverse stock split and this actually happening. Now, as far as what's going on with the price action, what we are seeing is basically anytime you see moves like this in after hours, this is hedge funds. Okay, this is big money, this is hedge funds, this is institutions. So this is repositioning. This is them getting in reposition now that they know that the trade is happening for sure, the conversion is going through. So they are putting AMC's price closer to APE's price. So we're going to start seeing APE's price start to rise, AMC's price start to go down is my theory. And we're going to start to see the two prices start to close closer to each other. That way no one makes money off of the arbitrage trade, because they don't want people making huge amounts of profit when APE converts to AMC, which is one thing that people can do. Now, I always tell people hold their APE, because APE is literally gold, because it can be converted to AMC at any time, and at this current price it is cheaper than AMC. Now what I think is what is going to happen is APE is going to start moving up to this $2 mark, $3 mark, and AMC is going to start moving to this $3 mark. But what I think is going to happen with the current price action starting tomorrow is AMC is probably going to get a nice pop to the upside, because we are too overextended to the downside. As you guys can see, I put on the Bollinger Bands, and that's a good way to tell if a move's overextended or not. And as you guys can see, we are outside of the bands, and price wants to go back inside of the band. So we are going to get a bounce to the upside and probably move into this $4 range, maybe $3.50, $4 range, and stay in that range in my personal opinion. And APE is going to go to the $2 range, or $1.60 range, and stay about in that range in my personal opinion. And we'll probably see them get closer and closer as together in price, is my personal opinion. Until the reverse split, until April 27th, I think they're going to be pretty much sideways, moving to get closer together. But I am going to be covering price, be covering all the news, covering all the price action, covering short interest. But this is actually happening. So if you are a fan of the reverse split, if you are a fan converting AMC or APE to AMC, paying off the debt and making this happen, this is officially happened, because it is basically settled as of now. They came to an agreement to basically allow this to go down, and now we see AMC shares down 24%, APE shares up 20% in after hours. So AMC short interest is still 24.64%. AMC's cost to borrow rate is spiking, so we're seeing AMC's cost to borrow get even more high, putting more pressure on the shorts, and this is allowing a potential squeeze to happen. Now, I know it sounds crazy with the price action that we are seeing, but I think we are getting close, because after April 27th, after all of this, when this officially happens, or if we get news before that, I think we're going to see both stocks take off. I think we're going to see AMC take off. I think we're going to see APE take off. And there are other potential stocks in the stock market putting pressure on the shorts that could potentially squeeze, like GME, like we've seen before. Once GME got its pop and then AME went after, one of these stocks is going to take off and then start a chain reaction called a domino chain reaction, falling and causing stock after stock after stock to squeeze. And that is my personal opinion on how this thing is going to go down. Now, I think APE is going to run with AMC. I think they're going to run together, but it's not going to be around the same price. Now, if APE gets converted into AMC, so if APE gets converted to AMC and APE is no longer around, obviously I think AMC is going to squeeze and still run. But obviously if APE's not around, then it cannot run with AMC. But I always had a theory that it would run more percentage wise than AMC. Why? Because it's more shorted. If you look at Yahoo's #1 most shorted stock, it is APE, and I think APE is more shorted than AMC and a little bit more manipulated than even AMC, our beloved AMC stock, and for that reason probably has more synthetic shares, more FTDs, just that we can't see this, and this is going on in the dark pool, and that is just my theory and my personal opinion. So as far as price action and technical analysis right now, I really can't do too much technical analysis because the price action just happened. We just had this pop and it is pre-market. I really need to see what happens tomorrow to have more of an idea what's going on. So as far as my update goes on, I'm just going to be reporting the news. I will try to look at the charts and see what I see is coming up. And you could kind of predict this move because you had both the Bollinger Bands on AMC and APE getting tight. You also had technical patterns showing that a breakout was coming here on APE, and as you guys can see, it broke out. And we had a technical pattern on AMC, but we also had the Bollinger Bands constricting very, very tight, as you guys can see, and then we had this pop to the downside. Anytime the Bollinger Bands constrict, that means a lot of volatility is coming. So that is how TA can predict these types of movements. But as far as what's going to happen tomorrow, I really need to see tomorrow's price action to see a full trading days, because you can't really put too much weight on after hours price action because it is not the same as during market hours price action. So I really need to see what happens tomorrow to make a more accurate decision. So when that happens, I will be dropping a video tomorrow letting you guys know what was going on. But I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on and my thoughts on this current situation. I do still think the squeeze is on the table. I am not giving up on that. I do still think it's on the table for many reasons, because if you convert APE to AMC, that helps pay off the debt. Also, if they do dilution, every time they did do dilution before, if we look, last time they did do dilution before, we did have that run up to 72, and that is absolute fact. They did dilution, sold shares, and then we had that huge run up. So that could be potential for now. And we still have technical analysis saying that a potential move to the upside is coming. We have Bollinger Bands getting very, very tight on the weekly time frame. We have green weekly MACD, and anytime you have those two things, green weekly MACD, as you guys can see right here, and Bollinger Bands getting very, very tight, we had this move to 72 or 44, the all-time high, and then we also had this move right here to 20, but after the split it was different. But as you guys can see, these two all-time high peaks did happen once the Bollinger Bands got very, very tight, and we had green weekly MACD. So we do have technicals saying we are going to squeeze. We do have fundamentals say we're going to squeeze with the high short interest, 24.64% short interest, high cost of borrow rates. Again, stock squeeze off of little to 8 to 10 short interest. They are getting a hard time getting shares available to borrow because the high cost of borrow rate, and this is putting pressure on the shorts, and the cost of borrow is still going up. So I do think the squeeze is still on, and until the shorts cover, until there is zero short interest, until the shorts cover, there is still a play. So I am holding until MOAS or zero. But guys, I just want to let you know what was going on, give you guys my thoughts and opinion, the technical analysis. Again, I really need to see what's happening tomorrow to give you guys a more thorough prediction. But it does look like APE is making a bit of a bull flag here on the 5-minute time frame, which could see more movement to the upside, and AMC is making a bit of a bear flag, which means more movement to the downside. So again, I'm thinking they're going to move closer and closer together in price, and we'll see them trading around the same price like they should have been the whole time, because shorts are now leaving their positions and repositioning because they know this is officially happening and this is going down. So hopefully we will see shorts cover after the split and the conversion and AMC's fundamentals improving, or we get a catalyst, either the stock market crashing or a black swan event or liquidity drying up. We get some type of catalyst to cause a squeeze, but until then I am holding till MOAs are zero. But guys, that is the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and remember, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.